Hey lovelies, and welcome to episode 3 of Metaphysicalchic. I hope everyone's been having an amazing week, and I hope you guys checked out Metaphysicalchic Takes New York. Guys, I had too much fun making that, you feel me? So, anyway, so today's topic of question is people's opinions. You know, people are entitled to their own opinion, but it's your choice whether you let that opinion get to you or not. So I know I hear a lot of people like, oh, your opinion doesn't matter. You know, you didn't need to put your opinion, you didn't need to throw your 2 cents in there. Which in all reality, like, they're entitled to have their own opinion, you know, whether they say it aloud, whether they just think it. It's your, I'm sorry, but it's your fault if you let that get to you. I'm not saying that what they said couldn't be hurtful, you know, it couldn't be something negative, but it's all up to you whether or not you take on that person's, you know, that person's energy. Yeah, so when I used to do my volumes, I think it was like volume 4, what people think about you really has nothing to do with you. So bitch, mind your business. You feel me? You know? So it's shit like that, you know? I say that in the nicest way possible. People's opinions really do not matter, you know? And there is a difference, guys, between constructive criticism and someone giving their opinion, right? When someone's giving their opinion, you know, it's sometimes biased. You know? Most of the time, it's not even factual. You know, it's just them speaking from their heart, them speaking from their mind, or sometimes them just literally just speaking off their tongue and not even processing what the fuck they're saying, type shit. You know what I mean? So, and then when somebody's giving you constructive criticism, you know, that normally comes in the form of, you know, aiding, you know, helping somebody out. I totally understand that, you know. You got to be able to take on constructive criticism in all parts of your life. So that to me is one, I don't really call it an opinion, so I'm gonna just call it the CC. CC is what you take on. You feel me? The CC is what you take on. Once you get to that point where you don't let the opinions of others inflict on you, you will be so much happier. So much happier. And I'm not saying, you know, you don't have opinions in your life that you value. You know, you have your parents' opinion, you've got your best friend's opinion, you've got your, you know, your spouse, you know, you've got all these people that mean so much to you, and then their opinion, yeah, sometimes it's gonna mean the world to you. But at the end of the day, you know, you gotta take what you truly believe and keep walking with it. It can be something as simple as, you know, somebody coming up to you and be like, oh my God, like, why'd you pick that color for your hair? Like, it doesn't suit you. Like, okay, and next. Like, next opinion. Like, I don't really care. I feel like it looks bomb on me, right? And if you don't like it, then that's your problem. That's not my problem, right? It's not my problem. People are always speaking from their level of perspective, right? Nobody's gonna have, I'm not gonna say nobody's gonna have the, actually I am. Nobody's gonna have the exact same perspective as you. People see the world differently. Everyone sees the world completely differently, right? So when I'm saying that I like this and you don't like this, that ain't got nothing to do with me. You feel me? That has nothing to do with me, right? You guys are really gonna hear me say this a lot. I'm gonna blame us for a lot of stuff that goes on with ourselves. It comes with a level of accountability. It comes with a level of, you know, responsibility. You gotta hold yourself accountable for things that happen in your life. If you don't, then you're gonna be on your own, lost and sad, you know. And it's something that you gotta learn, you gotta experience. Or if you're wise enough, you'll watch and hear what I'm saying, or you'll watch the people around you who are saying the same thing, and you will pick up on it and you go, you know what, I don't want to make that same mistake, you know? So, yes, lovelies, that's all that I have for you guys today. You know, I keep my segments quick and short because I'm attention spans. I love you guys. I love what I do. You know, I'm about to head to school. You know, I got a lot of work to do. You feel me? But I will see you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my medias. I now just made a Twitter, so you guys check that out. You feel me? I do be tweeting the vibes, because I am the vibes. You feel me? But I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week, and I can't wait to see what I have in store for you guys next week.